In this lesson, we will see how to install a new template. Log into the backend and then click on System. We are following the same step again. Click on Extensions and then click on Copy or Browse for Files. Open the Workshop folder. Click on Session 3 Site Creation and there you will see a subfolder as Template. There is a template as EduFree. Click on that. Click on Open. Now you will see a message like this. Now let's set up this template. Click on System and then click on Site Template Styles. Click on EduFree. Currently we are using Cassiopeia. That's why there is a yellow mark on that. We have to change the yellow mark into EduFree. Click on the circle icon, then it will be changed. Now our current template is EduFree. Log into the home page and see the difference. Now you will see the difference. We have to set up the module position. First of all, let's restore our site logo. Log into the backend. Click on System and then click on Site Template Style. Click on EduFree template link. After that, a new page has opened. Click on Template Options. Here we have to change the header, footer, contact info and many other changes to our site by using this page. Click on Template Options. Here you have to click on Basic and then click on Images because we are going to add the logo image. So click on Images, Image. Here you have to select the logo image. Click on Select. Select the logo PNG image. Here is the logo image. Click on Select. Now we have to set the logo height. Set the logo height as 80. Change it as 80. Now click on Save. Here is the Save option. Click on Save. Okay, now you can see the difference on the home page. Here is the restored logo. Now let's get the search module to the right place. Log into the backend again. You can close this here. Close this. Click on Content and then click on Site Modules. Then open Search module. Here is the Search module. Open that. Then change the position. The position is on Search. We are going to change the position as Navbar. Change it as Navbar. Click on Save and Close. Go to the home page and see the difference. Here is the search bar. Now let's get the slider module to the right place. Log into the backend. Click on Content and then click on Site Modules. Open the J51 layer slideshow. Then change the position to Title. Change the position as Title. Now you can save this. Click on Save. Go to the home page and see the difference. You can see the difference. Now let's get the news module to right place. Click on Content and then click on Site Modules. Open the news module. Here is the news module. Open that. Then change the position to Content Bottom. The position is on bottom. We are going to change it as Content Bottom. Click on Save and Close. Go to the home page and see the difference. Here is the news module. Now let's get the banner module to the right place. Log into the backend. Click on Content and then click on Site Modules. Open the travel banner module. Here is the travel banner module. Open that. Then change the position to right module position. Change it as right. Now you can save this. Click on Save and Close. Afterwards you can log into the backend and see the difference. You can see the changes here. Here is the travel banner.